Hey, this is Mr. Ward. I'm doing a video key for the Do Now, week 18, day 1. So I am going to be the key, A block today. So in the equation, y equals 3/4 x plus 7, what is one point we could definitely plot immediately? Well, this is the slope-intercept form, which is, of course, y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Since we know the y-intercept is b, then we can find the y-intercept being 7. So we can plot immediately the y-intercept at 0, 7. Okay, so there we have it. We can plot that point immediately because the y-intercept is there. In that equation, y equals 3/4 x plus 7, the slope is 3/4, which means a rise of 3 and a run of 4. See if you can use that to identify a second point on the line other than 0, 7. So I'm going to go into Desmos, and we're going to, of course, plot 0, 7. Let me zoom out a little bit. We'll label that. And so we need to use that slope, which is a rise of 3 and a run of 4. So a rise of 3 is going to mean we go up 3 from that point. So up here, and that rises up to 0, 10. But then we also need to run 4 from that point. So 1, 2, 3, 4 places from there. So we went up 3 from there and over 4. And what we'll end up with is this point right here, which is 4. So it's going to be over 4, which is over 4 from 0, so that's a 4. Up 3 from 7, so the y will be a 10. So we can plot that extra point. So now we have 4, 10 as another point on that line. Let me erase my drawing so you can see those 2 points. Once we've got all of that, now we can just draw a line through these 2 points. So we can, you'd want to get a straight edge, and my draw tool doesn't actually give me a straight line options, but you draw a line right through those 2 points. Okay, so let's go back to the Do Now. So a second point after 0, 7, we just identified as 4, 10. So 4, 10. There's another point you might have identified. You might have, instead of going up 3 over 4, you could have gone down 3 to 0, 4, and then back 4 to negative 4. So, or you could have found negative 4, 4, which is down 3 from 7 and back 4 from 0. So that would have worked as well. I'll go ahead and plot that too. Negative 4, 4, and that should be there as well. I'm going to erase all of this stuff now. Okay, so let's go here to the next question. So if rising 3 from 0, 7 would get you to 0, 10, and running 4 from there would have gotten you to 4, 10, which was another point we could plot. Okay, so with these 2 points plotted, is there anything else we need to do to graph a line for this equation? Or do we just get a straight edge, a ruler, and draw a line through them? In fact, you are done. Just get a ruler or straight edge and draw a line through them. Any 2 points from a line, find that line. Okay, so it's very easy to create that line. So you would just draw those, and I'll show you that those are on the line on there. Y equals 3/4 x. Notice that parallels them right now, and then we'll say plus 7, and it goes right through them. All right, I hope that helped. Beyond that, you should know that I did finish setting up level 6, and I have mostly finished level 7. The only thing that's left to do is put in the testing out, but you should practice level 7 before you try testing out. Level 6, you have 2 options for testing out. There's a Desmos activity and a quiz, and that's kind of a preference of which you would prefer to approach it with. All right, I am going to stop now, and I hope that